My name is Crystal, and I did an independent study on delayed gratification. The delay of gratification in children theory analyzes the delay process. The process is very important for the individual's attention during the delayed process period and is especially important in the developmental and the ability to delay gratification. Delayed gratification is where a person is able to delay or renounce immediate reward or satisfaction in order to obtain a larger reward in the future. An example of this for adults is when they invest money instead of spending it. From the early 1960s, Walter Mischel and his colleagues have investigated the process by which children delay gratification. At the age 4, children who delay gratification longer tend to be more intelligent, more likely to resist temptation. The children in this experiment were kept in contact with for more than 10 years. The ones that were able to hold on to the cookies longer were described by the parents as socially and academically more confident than their peers. The delayed gratification main focus is to see how long the child can wait. The longer the child waits, the more knowledgeable the child may be. I have chosen this theory because it interested me when I first heard about it. I was trying to understand the strategies that a child at a young age would use to hold on to a cookie for 10 minutes. During my observation, I observed children who were given cookies and watched the strategies that they used to keep the cookies. If they could keep the cookies for 10 minutes, they would receive 2 more cookies. I observed 3 different children at the ages of 4, 8, and 5. My first observation was the 4-year-old. I went over to his house and we went to his playroom. I played with him. I gave him a cookie, asked him to hold on to it, not to eat it, and if he could hold on to it for 10 minutes, he would get 2 more cookies. I showed him the 2 more cookies. We were playing in his playroom, and I sat back in the corner and watched him play. Within 2 minutes, he ate the first cookie. For my second observation, I observed the 5-year-old. I waited until after she got home from school, went over to her house, took her into her playroom, and explained to her that she needed to hold on to the first cookie for 10 minutes, and if she could do that, I would give her 2 more cookies. She held on to the cookie for about 9 minutes and then ate it. For my third observation, I observed an 8-year-old, went over to his house, went into his playroom, handed him the cookie, explained to him that he needed to hold on to it for 10 minutes, showed him the other 2 cookies, and he was able to hold on to it for 10 minutes. The strategies of the 4-year-old, 5-year-old, and 8-year-old, the 4-year-old had no strategies, he just ate it immediately. The 5-year-old played with the cookie while she was playing with her dolls, but at 9 minutes, she told me that she was just really hungry and she couldn't do it anymore. Strategies of the 8-year-old, he held on to the cookie for the first couple of minutes and then put the cookie down and just played with his trucks, and he received the 2 other cookies, whereas the 4-year-old and the 5-year-old did not. When I was all done with my observation, I thanked the parents, told the kids I had a fun time playing with them, and left. And that was my delayed gratification experiment.